Hi guys, I'm with Monica and we are doing the
Obstacle Sports Factory thingy.
Obstacle Sports Factory Challenge. This is a hangout also with Monica. Her Instagram is, you can see it on below. You can follow her on Instagram. Yeah. She joined us
2014.
Oh God,
February. Random road trip time.
one of the best
Ever.
yeah, one of the first road trips we did in Carino, and it was amazing.
Yeah. So fun.
And we've been friends since 2014, so
Yeah.
3 years ago na. We're gonna be here and doing this crazy obstacle course.
It's like a playground for adults.
Yeah. It's toys for the big boys. Anyway, Monica is an avid fitness girl as well. Enthusiast. So, parang Fitspiration rin yan. Kaya ako nasama dito. Pero gusto ko siya. I really enjoyed it. I think it's something that you should do at least once or make it a regular thing. It's a lifestyle.
That's true.
We were together with
Tita
Gemma, and she's around 50 years old. 50 plus years old, and she was doing all this shit here.
She's the true Lodi.
Yan, Lodi. And what do you do ba for work, Monica?
I work at a bank. So, digital selling of insurance.
So how is it so far? It's mahirap.
It's challenging because it's insurance and you put it in a digital platform. So,
Yeah,
but
nowadays.
it's really exciting.
Yeah, nowadays kasi everything is in digital na.
Digital is the way to go.
Yeah. Kaya nga nag-vlog na rin tayo.
Parang I started out with running because I want to lose weight. Pero when I lost the weight, parang the next level is to strengthen like the overall body. It's functional fitness lang. Kasi since I work in the corporate, so nakaupo ako the whole day, so I need to do like movements.
Yeah, kasi mahirap rin yun. Mahirap rin yun sa likod.
That's true.
Tsaka you tend to gain more weight if you stationary.
Of course. Saka exciting din. Endorphins siya for me. And
That's
the people
true.
that you meet.
Yeah, it's true. And they're really crazy. I think I di ko rin expect na ganun sila kagaling. Grabe, ang gagaling nila lahat. As in doing all this obstacle.
Yeah, what's good about the community is that even though like maybe iba-iba yung expertise levels, so we help each other.
That's true. I'm really happy really to share a holiday or day with Monica, and it's just crazy. I think it's just also a good opportunity to meet also the road trippers of Experience Philippines because they are amazing people. They're very inspirational. We have this section actually, which we call the Fast Talk. So I have a few questions for you. Ready?
Ready?
Hip hop or rap?
Hip hop.
Sneakers or leather?
Sneakers.
How many times did you fall in love?
0.
Wow. How many times did you take a bath?
Take a bath?
Yeah, how many times you take a bath?
Twice a day.
Twice a day. How many kids would you want?
Ooh, like a basketball team.
12? May kasamang reserve.
Joke lang. Siguro mga 2.
2. Right.
Biglang 2 eh.
Part of the day you like the most?
Morning.
Right. Favorite pastime?
Ooh, right now, gym.
Ooh. Favorite color?
Ooh, pink.
Favorite song?
Oh my God, it's so hard. Wait. Total Eclipse of the Heart.
Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little.
Favorite singer?
Queen.
Sexiest woman in the Philippines?
Sexiest woman in the Philippines. Top of 19 na Raimundo.
Yeah. Tuna.
Century tuna.
Cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Boat or plane?
Plane.
Summer or rainy days?
Summer, definitely.
Most beautiful place in the Philippines?
Palawan.
That's true. Place that you would want to visit alone?
Machu Picchu.
Very good. Favorite travel buddy?
Myself.
And this is the ultimate question. Sex or chocolate?
Oh my God, that's so hard. Sex.
And that's it. That's the hangout with the road trip for today. And thank you very much for tuning in for the next one next week.
Oh my God.
Bye guys! Seryoso yan. Nagulat ka na.
Tito Boy!
Good job!